This is Groovy Space, and today we are in Kilsyth or Bayswater North 3153. We got a ground floor unit, and this is the size of the unit. And the unit is, the loading bay is just here. Round the corner next to the cargo lift, you load up here, you park your car there, and the unit is just here. I'm going to show you quickly from the back first, because the light, there is a light there, a fluorescent light, and it will go off after a few minutes. So as long as somebody is inside there, you will detect it's going to stop. Okay. Okay. Holding my torch. Okay. Now the unit is very, very messy. Okay. There is a washing machine here, not sure what brand, and I think you need to look at the photo which I've taken, as I don't want to drop my phone right in the middle inside there. Okay, I think this is either a freezer or a small bar fridge. Now this unit is really messy. Okay, there's a fridge here. Remember, it's 6.5 meter deep, 3 meter wide, and 3 meter high. Ground floor, indoor unit, you'll be loading undercovered inside a warehouse. There's no warranty or guarantee on any of the goods. Once sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. There's a $250 cash deposit. Once you clear the unit, we refund you back the $250 cash deposit. Having said that, if you do come across any paperwork, photos, digital file that is non-saleable, of personal nature, we appreciate if you can just leave it behind. I think I'll just take a walk down the corridor to show you the loading bay here. So you'll be walking down this corridor. Here's the indoor loading bay. So we just park here, and the unit is just here. Again, bear in mind, this is a very, very messy unit. Thank you for watching.